we're going to be working on my country sausage and gravy. So let's sizzle on like a piggy and start the sausage. Place the sausage in the pan. And we're going to start breaking it up with our spoon. Stirring it around, getting it all browned up. Of course, there's tons of flavor in the fat. Some drain it and some don't. But it's totally up to you. I like to add in my seasonings now, just before it's brown, because we like to wake up that flavor. 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, 1/4 teaspoon of granulated garlic, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of seasoning salt. And mix these all in. Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter, I'm going to add in 1/3 cup of flour. And we're going to stir this around until it's fully mixed in the sausage. From there, we're going to pour in 3 cups of whole milk. And you're going to stir that around and the gravy gets thick. Now that the sausage and gravy is almost done, as you see here, it's all thickened up. I'm going to take my nice biscuits that I made last week, place them down here on the grill, and get them nice and warm. Go watch the video. I promise you'll love it. And remember, it's not country cooking unless it fills your heart and your soul. See you next time.